Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with the beast, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Okay, so this time I'll be showing you how to use the split screen mode. So this is very useful if you want to run any two applications at the same time. However, not all applications are supported to be viewed in split screen mode. So it's just a trial and error thing. You've got to just test and see which applications can be used, which applications have split screen support. Okay, so like I said, you can run any two applications in split screen view, and I'm going to demonstrate real quick how it works. So let's just say you're on YouTube and you want to watch a YouTube video. You'd open up YouTube and then you'd press this button here, the multitasking button, and then select the YouTube icon there. And as you can see now, it's opened up another window here and it's in split screen view. So you could be on YouTube and you could be watching a video. So let me just find a video to play. Brand sound section. And then you could just open up an application. So you could be watching YouTube and you could also be just browsing on Facebook. With all the calm sounding ringtones. And you can also switch up. And then here we have the fun section. The windows. So as you can see now, YouTube's at the bottom there and Facebook is at the top. And that's it. But as you can see, there's a wide variety to choose from. There's loads. And then you can add the app pair to the home screen or apps edge panel. So if you like this combination, just select home screen and it will say add pair to home screen. And now as you can see, we've got the shortcut there to add them to the home screen at any time. So that's really cool. Okay, another thing, let me just demonstrate again. So let me go back here. So you can even run two games at the same time. I'm not sure why you'd want to do that, but it's capable of doing it. So just come out of there, select the little icon, then select open in split screen. So I've got PUBG there up at the top, and I could also open up Call of Duty and have both games running at the same time. And once again, can switch it up, rearrange it so that I've got PUBG at the top and Call of Duty down here at the bottom. And if you've got auto rotate on, you can turn the screen so that you can view it in landscape mode. Can also open up the web browser in split screen mode. And let's just say that you've seen something. So let's just say you're browsing on the internet, on the web browser, and you've seen something that you quickly want to capture. You don't have to stop the browsing. You can just simply open up the camera. Oops, hold on. Let's do that again. You can simply just open up the camera whilst you're browsing and capture whatever you see. And it's the same with YouTube as well. You could be watching a video. Okay, so you could be watching a video and you could just launch the camera and take a picture or even record a video whilst your YouTube video is playing, whilst you're watching your movie. So as you can see, the video is recording and my video is playing. By default, on the second sim, atomic bell, and you can switch it into full screen mode, so once again, landscape mode, through the list and just choose the one you want, and then stop your recording, and then just swipe down to continue watching YouTube in full screen. As you can see, for sim 1, Galaxy Asteroid is my... Okay, so another thing is you could view Google Maps. Whilst you're also viewing the Play Store. And as you can see, when you've got both applications running at the same time, there's no slowdowns, there's no lag. Everything's still nice and smooth. So whilst I've got both open in split screen mode, I can just be browsing the Google Play Store and I could be downloading an application whilst I'm using the sat-nav GPS. So let me just set some directions. So as you can see, my game's downloading and I'm using the satellite navigation, the GPS.
London ultra low emission zone en route. Head east on 5th Avenue east towards 11th Avenue, then turn left onto 11th Avenue.
So the game's finished downloading whilst I'm using the sat nav there. And when I'm finished, I can either swipe up or swipe down. So I'll just swipe up to go into the Play Store to start playing my game, or I could have swiped down to continue using the maps, the GPS. Okay, so that's it for the video, guys. One last thing as well, I'm using the buttons here, but if you're using the swipe gestures, you'll have to swipe up and hold to bring up the multitasking button. When using the buttons, you just simply press the multitasking button here and it brings up the multitasking option. So as you can see, I just press this button and it brings it up. But if I was using the swipe, or if you're using the swipe, just drag up from the bottom and hold there in the middle and it will bring up the multitasking option. Anyway, that's it for the video, guys. Hope this video helped you out. Please do give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy, the Android Doctor, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm out. Deuces.